Hi, Rachel this side from Efficient Manufacturing Magazine reporting from Mobile India Congress 2025. And today I have Dr. Naveen with me from Axiro. Hi, sir.
Hi there.
How are you, sir?
I'm doing great.
So, can you brief me about your company?
Sure. I'm the CEO of Axiro Semiconductor, the newly formed entity that is divested out of Renesas Electronics. So we got formed in April of this year, and we divested an entire business unit out of Renesas. And this is the first time for India where we will be shipping products in the millions of units every month with a Made in India label. I think this is a very proud moment for India, and I hope a lot more of such companies get formed in the near future.
That's great, sir. So, what are the products you're highlighting at this event?
So Axiro Semiconductor has RF front-end components as well as millimeter wave front-end components. So we are primarily an RF company, but we also have some other products, like including a modem for rapid wave, which is for WiGig. But other than that, most of our products are for wireless infrastructure as well as SATCOM front ends.
That's
so you
great,
can see
sir.
a lot of those in our booth today that we are displaying.
Right, sir. So, how are the products of your company different from other competitors in the market?
Yeah, that's a very good question that you should ask, Rachel, because we bring innovation to the market, and our products, each product solves a system level issue for our customers. And the way we do it is we have a very strong design team which has expertise in all foundry technologies. You might have heard of silicon CMOS, silicon germanium, gallium arsenide, PHEMT, HBT, gallium nitride. Our design team has proficiency across all of these technologies, and we want to develop a component for our customers. We are able to pick the right technology and the right foundry for this particular solution that we want to develop. And on top of it, we layer what is our USP, our unique selling proposition, is our innovation. Our engineers have provided a lot of marquee innovations in circuit technology that we have provided over the last 15 years into wireless infrastructure and SATCOM markets. And that is our unique selling proposition that separates us by more than an arm's length with our competitors.
That's really nice, sir. So, are you dealing in international markets also?
All of our revenue comes from international markets. We do not have any revenue, unfortunately, yet from India markets. Like I mentioned, in wireless infrastructure, companies like Ericsson, Nokia are our prime customers. We provide a lot of our front-end components to them. Similarly, on SATCOM, the user terminals developed by Hughes powering the OneWeb constellation use our beamformer ICs, and also a lot of other markets including A&D, for example, aerospace and defense, as well as some industrial markets where our products go, including Siemens and many other companies use our parts. Again, like I said, almost all of our revenue and all of our customers currently are international.
So, like what all countries?
I would say, like I mentioned, Hughes. So US is a very big market for us, but also equally important is Europe, especially the Scandinavian area where we sell a lot of our products for wireless infrastructure.
That's great, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you for sharing your time with us. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Thank you.